Number 2, social media is a gold mine. LinkedIn, Instagram, and even TikTok can be powerful tools to market your business, connect with potential clients, and showcase your work. Post consistently, share behind the scenes content, and watch how your network grows. Here are some additional tips for success. Number 1, build a reliable team early. You can't do this alone. Start with dependable drivers and invest in their growth. A reliable team will make or break your business. Number 2, always be learning. The industry is changing fast. Keep up with trends, attend industry conferences, and network with other box truck owners.